Hi everyone, so today we are completing our decimal subtraction sums, page 110. So similar to our addition sums, we always have the decimal point underneath each other when we complete these sums. And similar to the addition sums, we always start on the right hand side with the top digit. So if we were to do B1, start at the top, the right hand side with the top digit. So 1 take away 8, we cannot do. So we need to go next door and rename. To rename 9 tenths as 8. And then we rename that 1 tenth then as 10 100ths. So now we have 11 take away 8 equals 3. 8 take away 3 equals 5. And I'm sure their decimal point always underneath each other. And then 4 take away 2, which equals 2. And then for B1C, same, we start on the right hand side with the top digit. So 0 take away 8, we cannot do. So we go next door to rename. So we rename one of the tenths. So we have 4 tenths left, and we rename one of the tenths as 10 100ths. So now we have 10 take away 8, which equals 2. 4 take away 2, which equals 2. And make sure that our decimal points always go underneath each other. Then we have 9 take away 5, which equals 4. And then for 2, the sums in 2 are written horizontally in the book. For example, 2a, 1.7, take away 0.6. But I like you to do them vertically because then it makes them easier to complete and it's easier to show our workings as well and how we complete them. So from 2a, 1.7, take away 0.6. Similar to 1, we start on the right hand side with the top digit. We have 7, take away 6, which equals 1. And then our decimal points, we'll make sure they go underneath each other. And then 1 take away 0 equals 1. And then B is similar to written in a vertical or a horizontal algorithm in the book. We're going to do it vertically. So same thing, we start on the right hand side with the top digit. And we go 6, take away 9, we cannot do. So we need to go to the units. We rename one of the units. We have 1 unit left. And we rename that 1 unit as 10 tenths. So now we have 16 tenths, take away 9. So 16 take away 9 equals 7. Our decimal points always go underneath each other. We're doing an addition or subtraction sum. And 1 take away 0 equals 1. So 2.6 take away 0.9 equals 1.7. And then for 4, in the book, they are horizontal algorithms. Again, we're going to do them vertically. So we have 5.6 take away 3.56. So before we start, we need to fill out the sum. So you can see that the units on the top and bottom, tenth from the top and bottom, we have no hundredths in 5.6. We need to fill out 0 to show that there is 0 hundredths before we start the sum. And then once again, we start on the right hand side with the top digit. So 0 take away 6, we cannot do. So we need to go next door to the tenths and rename one of the tenths. So leave us with 5 tenths left. And we rename one of the tenths as 10 100ths. So now we have 10 take away 6, which equals 4. 5 take away 5, which equals 0. Always make sure that the decimal points are always underneath each other. We're doing an addition or subtraction sum. And then 5 take away 3 equals 2. And then for B, same again with 9.7 take away 1.85. So 9.7, we don't have the hundreds placed in, so it's 9.7. Oh, so now we've started on the right hand side with the top digit. So 0 take away 5 we cannot do, so we need to go next door to the tenths and rename one of the tenths. So that means we have 6 tenths left, and if we rename one of the tenths as 10 100ths. So now we have 10 take away 5, which equals 5. 6 take away 8 we cannot do, so we need to rename, so we need to go to the units, and we rename one of the units, so it means we only have 8 units left, and we rename that unit as 10 tenths. So now we have 16 take away 8, so equals 8. Now always remember our decimal points always underneath each other when we're doing our subtraction sum. And then 8 take away 1 equals 7. And then for 5, it tells us Pete went shopping with €10. He spent 99 cents. How much has he left? So before we start, we need to change the 99 cent into euro. So how would we change the 99 cent into euro? So 99 cent equals €0.99. So if we were doing number 5, we're trying to figure out how much is left if we spend 99. So the bigger number, we always have the bigger number on top when we're doing our subtraction sums. So €10 is more than €0.99. So it's going to be 10 euro take away 0.99. I want you then to complete that sum. And then for 6, a piece of string was 5 meters long. Alexa cut a piece, leaving 3.25 meters. So what is the length of Alexa's piece? So we know it was at start 5 meters long, and we know now that it's 3.25 meters long. So we're looking for the difference between 5 meters and 3.25 meters. So once again, we're doing a subtraction sum. So that's 5 meters. So we have 5. Take away 3.25. So the 5 meters, the 5 is a whole number, so we need to change 5.00 meters, centimeters. And then we've got to complete the sum to find out what was the length of Alexa's